Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moody's Accounting Academy. In this video, I would like to explain you about the management. What is management? How it is evolved? So we will discuss about that word management in this video, and very interesting facts let me discuss with you, my dear friends, in this video. If you like it, you subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. This video on management helps a lot in understanding the concept of management, even to CBSE students, ICSE students, degree students, BBM, BBA, MBA, PG students, everyone who wants to know about the word management in a very interesting manner. So let me begin the meaning and the explanation of the word management. It comes to my mind always, is there any word in this world? Is there any word in this world which is more beautiful than management? I think probably you have understood why I say like this. Management, the word itself gives us the meaning of what is management. That is the beauty of the word management. Okay, so let me begin the concept of management in simple terms. In a very simple terms, I will tell you what is management. Management is nothing but just the approach, sequence, series of activities which you require to do in order to achieve your target. Whatever the steps you need to do in order to reach your target, whatever the steps you require in order to reach your target. Understand? All the steps, all the sequence, all the activities which you require in order to reach your target, please keep it in your mind. The target is important. All that comes under management. This is a simple process. It's a very simple understanding of the word management. Understand? So, management means a series of activities, series of steps which are required to reach your target. Okay, the target may be different things for different people. You may be having a different target, I may be having a different target. This target is also known as goal. So, your goal may be different, my goal may be different. A doctor has some goals, an engineer has some goals with him. A CBSE class 12th student's goal is different. Understand? ICSE student's goal. Similarly, everyone in this world has a goal, a target to reach. Understand? Which we call it as even a dream also. Abdul Kalam said, dreams are not the ones which you see when you sleep. Dreams are those which will not let you to go for sleep. That means when you have a target in your mind, you must try to reach the target. You must try to reach the goal. Understand? So, how to reach the goal? What are to be done? All the steps that are required to make your dreams, to make your goals fulfill, that is known as management. Okay? And just now I said, is there any word in the world which is more beautiful than management? I will tell you why. Let me tell you that management. Let us take up that word and let us identify what are there in it which gives you the meaning of management. You can find manage men in that word. Manage men. Manage men in your organization is management. Okay, manage men in your organization. Manage men, even that letter T stands for tactful. You have to use some tactics in making your men to work in your organization. Here men does not mean only the male employees in your organization. Here men refers to workforce, total employees in your organization. Understand? Manage men. One more beautiful thing you will get from the word management. Man a gem. M-A-N, man, a gem, G-E-M, gem. Man, a gem. You will find it in that word management. How beautiful it is, how beautiful philosophy it is. So that means the management has to consider that every employee is an asset to the firm. So every employee is an asset to the organization, because every person has some sort of skills with him. Understand? You may be good at music and I may be good at teaching accounting and commerce and other related subject. Some other may be good at playing cricket, some other may be good at chess. So different skills are there with everyone. You need to identify whether this person in our firm is suitable to do this work or that work. That is what actually you have to identify. Every person is a gem. Don't think that your employees don't know anything. Every employee is having, of course, some skills. He is also human being, we are also human beings, right? So every person, man, a gem, beautiful thing which you will get from the word management. One more important thing, as how the people say, practice before you preach, because preaching is a simple thing. People say so many things. You follow discipline, you come to office at 10 o'clock sharp, but the manager may come at 11 o'clock. Then there is no discipline. Understand? So that philosophy is also there in the word management. Manage me. You have to manage yourself first. Then you can manage others. Even when you don't manage yourself, and if you are trying to manage others, that doesn't fit good. Okay, so these are all the terms these are all the even words, phrases, meaning that you will take only from the word management. Even team, management is a teamwork, T-E-A-M, that also you will get it from the word management. So that's why I said, no other word I think probably in the world which is more beautiful than the word management. Okay, so management is the series of activities what you require to reach your goal. Everyone has a goal. So set the goal. What are the steps you require to reach the goal? All the activities come under management. Right? Next, when we take up the evaluation of management, very important aspect, because so many people ask us, sir, when was this management evolved? Who developed it? It is not a railway engine, it is not a computer, it is not a mobile phone that you can say, okay, this person developed it, that person developed it. It is a process. Management, even on the day of civilization, you have found management. I will give examples. You just imagine one thing. Without management, the ancient people, how could they construct that great pyramids? Please imagine it. Great pyramids, even today also, most of the pyramids are intact. People are going and seeing the pyramids. How beautifully constructed. Some 3000 years back, 4000 years back, oldest pyramids. Without management, do you think that pyramids were constructed? Not at all. Impossible without management. Do you think that without management Taj Mahal was constructed? Do you think that without management Great Wall of China was constructed? These are all man-made things, wonders of the world, ancient wonders, modern wonders, wonders of the world. Whatever you take, everything, when there is a management, there is a success. When there is no management, there is no success. So success equals to good management. This is the formula. Okay, and when there is a failure, that means lack of management. So management is not new to human beings. It is not that, sir, in 2021 when you are referring to management, don't think that it is developed only in 2000, 2010, 2020 like that. It was very ancient. People knew it. Of course, they might have used a different word for that. Today we are calling it as management, and tomorrow some other term may be used for management. I always prefer to quote Shakespeare in this context. What's it in a name that which we call it as a rose? By any other name it would smell sweet. Today, I mean, people call it as rose, that flower. The flower doesn't know that the people are calling it as rose. Understand? So you call it as rose, and after 200 years, after 300 years, the people may give some other name for it. Who knows? But rose is rose. Similarly, management is management. Whether 3000 years back, or even today, or after 2000 years back. Management means systematic effort. Management means a proper approach, a correct approach in order to reach your goals. Okay? So this is what the introduction part, what I want to tell you, my dear friends, on management. I hope you have understood till now. Thank you.